A man is only as strong as the men around him, no matter how much drive, talent, or intelligence you have. If you surround yourself with weak, lazy, and uninspired people, you will never reach your full potential. Look at the most powerful men in history, the warriors, the kings, the leaders. None of them walked alone. They had Brotherhood, a network of powerful men who challenged them, sharpened them, and pushed them beyond their limits. And the truth is, why toe? Because the wrong people will drag you down, but the right people, they will elevate you. Look around at your 5 closest friends. Now ask yourself, are they leveling up or staying the same? Are they focused on growth or wasting time? Are they pushing you forward or pulling you back? Because here's the uncomfortable truth, you will become just like them. If your circle is full of weak men who complain, procrastinate, and blame the world for their problems, guess what? That mindset will rub off on you. But if your circle is full of disciplined, driven, and ambitious men, you will be forced to rise to their level. The people around you either challenge you to become better, keep you comfortable in mediocrity. There is no in-between. So the question is, who's in your circle? If you want to boss up, you need to cut dead weight. Here are the 3 types of men who will destroy your future. The complainer. He blames everyone but himself for his problems. He's always talking about how life is unfair. He has big dreams but never takes action. Why he's dangerous, complaining is contagious. The more you listen to it, the more you start making excuses too. What to do? Distance yourself. The energy leech. He always needs something from you, money, time, emotional support. He never adds value to your life, only takes from it. He drags you into drama and distractions. Why he's dangerous? He will drain your energy, leaving you with nothing left to invest in yourself. What to do? Set boundaries. If he's not bringing value to your life, cut him off. The party addict. He's always talking about the next turn up. He wastes his time chasing temporary pleasure. He has no long-term vision, only short-term distractions. Why he's dangerous? He will pull you away from your goals one night at a time. What to do? If he's not trying to build something for the future, walk away. The wrong people will ruin you faster than anything else. But the right people, they will change your life. If you want to become powerful, successful, and respected, you need to surround yourself with powerful, successful, and respected men. Here's how you do it. Law number 1, surround yourself with men who are better than you. If you are always the smartest, strongest, or most successful man in your circle is too small. You should be learning from the men around you. You should be challenged every day to level up. Law number 2, give value before you take value. Too many men make the mistake of trying to network up without offering anything in return. If you want to be part of a strong brotherhood, you must bring something to the table. Real brotherhood is not built on transactions. It's built on loyalty and respect. Don't just network, build real relationships. Law number 4, hold each other accountable. A real brother won't let you slack off. He will call you out when you're being lazy. He will push you harder when you're making excuses. Expect the best from you at all times. Weak men get offended when someone corrects them. Strong men appreciate it. Not everyone can go with you on your journey. Some people will not grow. Some people will slow you down. Some people will hold you back. As much as it might hurt, you have to let them go. If they refuse to level up, cut them off. If they bring negativity into your life, walk away. If they don't respect your time and goals, move on. Your future is too important to waste on people. Surround yourself with powerful, successful, and respected men who will elevate you and challenge you to become your best self. The company you keep will ultimately shape your path to greatness. Together, you can create a powerful legacy that inspires others to strive for greatness. Remember, your circle determines your future. Choose wisely and build a brotherhood that elevates you. As you navigate your journey, ensure that each step is taken alongside those who uplift and motivate you. Invest in relationships that empower you and encourage continuous learning and development. Together, leverage each other's strengths and expertise to achieve unprecedented levels of success. Celebrate each other's victories and create an environment where everyone thrives. Foster an atmosphere of open communication where vulnerability is welcomed and growth is celebrated. As you lift each other higher, remember that true strength lies in unity and shared efforts. Collaborate effectively and hold each other accountable to consistently pursue excellence. Invest time in your brotherhood and watch as it flourishes into something extraordinary. Encourage healthy competition that drives motivation, growth, and a sense of achievement. Embrace the power of unity, knowing that together you can overcome any challenge that comes your way. Create an environment where creativity flourishes and every voice is heard and valued. Inspire one another to chase your dreams relentlessly, knowing that you're not alone in the journey. Engage in meaningful conversations that foster understanding and propel each other towards greatness. Strengthen your relationships through shared experiences that cultivate trust and collaboration. Make time for fun and relaxation, celebrating the joy of being part of a supportive brotherhood. Encourage open dialogue that empowers each voice to contribute to the collective vision for success.